Cardiac arrest can happen to anyone, anywhere, at any time. In the United States, approximately 350,000 out-of-hospital cardiac arrests occur annually, underscoring the critical need for bystander intervention. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is a life-saving technique that can significantly increase the chances of survival for someone experiencing cardiac arrest. First aid skills, on the other hand, are crucial for addressing a wide range of injuries and medical emergencies until professional help arrives. CPR and first aid certification classes teach participants how to recognize and respond to various emergencies, perform CPR on adults, children, and infants, use an automated external defibrillator, and provide basic first aid care. At Safety Training Seminars, we offer CPR, AED, and first aid classes 7 days a week. Visit safetytrainingseminars.com for more information.